Hello guys, welcome back to the video or to the channel. So today we're going to work on the Beetle. Yep, we have a Volkswagen Beetle now, and we're going to install the dash cam that we got. Yep, this is the DD Mola N3. So come on, let's install it. Okay, so this is the DD Mola N3 dash cam. So yep, that's what we're gonna put on my wife's Beetle. So we have the manual. So it comes with the auxiliary power, which is nice, which is dual 1 amp, which will be enough to power the dash cam, and 2.1 amp if you want to charge your phone. So this is nice, it will be helpful. So this is the base. It's where you mount the dash cam. This is the dash cam itself. Slim profile, I like it. Yep. So I've been using this particular brand on my CHR. This is the one I have on my CHR. Same brand, but this is better. I think this is 2K. The one on my CHR is only 4K. I'm sorry, 1080, and it has a long cable. So I'm not planning to hardwire this, so I'm just gonna use the auxiliary cigarette lighter power. That's all I'm gonna do with this one. What's this? I don't know what this is, but I think it's something to pry on. It's a pry tool. If you need to pry your stuff on it, but there you go. That's what's inside the box. Okay, and on the manual, it has some detailed instructions in here, which is good. There's also a cell phone app that you can download and download the videos. That will be very helpful on the road. But if you want to just get the videos from a computer, you can do so. And this is the spec sheet. So it has the CPU is Huawei high silicon dual core, has a 5 megapixel lens or sensor. The lens is 6-layer glass lens with a field of view of 140 degrees, and it has an aperture of 1.8, which is very good. That will be very helpful on low light situation. Storage. So oh yeah, it doesn't come with SD card, I guess. So this is where the SD card goes. So nope, no SD card, so you have to purchase that separately, which is fine. Yep, so it works with Android and iOS. It has a G sensor. Yep, this is nice. So that one, so it has the adhesive that you will put in here, and it has this guide, this film guide, when you put it the back of your rear view mirror. And one thing that is good about this is, yep, it just clips in here. There you go. It's nice. If you want to remove it, just press this 2 on the side, then pull it. Yep, so it's USB Type-C connection, so it goes basically one way or the other. Yep, this, it has the adjustment. Yep. All right, let's go now to the card, really. All right. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna install it. So I'll be placing it in here. Make sure you clean your glass. Wipe it with whatever cleaner you have, but I use alcohol just to remove any grease, oil, whatever it is. So make sure you clean that before you put the adhesive part of the base. And let's go. Okay, so dito natin siya, we're gonna put it in here. So yep, it should be enough. Yep, there. This is where we're gonna put this one. And then we're gonna route the wire on the side. Yep, so let me just peel the backing. Okay, so I peeled the backing. Now we're gonna just YOLO it, I guess. Just press it, apply pressure for like 30 seconds. I did not use the guide, so it's up to you if you want to use the guide or not, but I did not use it. But I guess that's good. It looks centered, leveled, so, but I'll still put some pressure. But that's the only thing on this. The only downside on the base is you cannot change the left to right. But that's fine. If it has a wide angle field of view, it shouldn't be any problem on that. All right, so let me get the wire and I'll show you how am I gonna do it. All right, okay, so we're going to wire this up. So, this is a micro USB. Oops. So just plug it in. And then I always want to put it around like that, and we're gonna tuck it in here. Then we're gonna run it to the A pillar down. If it will focus, yeah. So yep. So we're gonna run it down to the A pillar down here. So that's the cigarette lighter thing. So that's where we're gonna power it. Alright, so let me work on this. Okay, so yeah, so they included this pry tool in here. So this will be very helpful, at least to help us push the wire in here. If I can do that on this particular car. I've done it on the CHR, but for some reason I don't think I can do it here. There you go, just run it. If you don't mind the cable. Yeah. There you go. There you go, much better. Just pull it straight. All right, so there you go. So we run the wire from here. So, yep. So it's stuck in here. Then we pull the A-pillar and we just put the wire in there. We're gonna put back this later. So make sure you run it properly. Mess up my finger. Just run it. Gonna run it down. Yep. Okay, so I'm feeding it through here, and then I'm actually gonna clean this one up. I'm feeding it inside right now so that I can just grab it from the inside over here and run the wire under the dash through the cigarette lighter. So there's a possibility that I'll hardwire this one out in the future, but for now I'm just gonna do this one out. So just feed this one here on the side and just grab the end of the wire on the other side. All right. Okay, so I ended up removing this just to make it easier. So the wire is inside and I tuck it. Hold on. I tuck it way down there, up down here. So, yep, it should be cleaner. And we're just gonna run it here to the plug. All right. Okay, so I decided to do it the right way or the clean way. So I just removed this. So I'm gonna feed the wire here. It's not really that clean, but that will put the wire directly there. So yep, so I'm just gonna remove the climate control using the T20, and yep, I'm just gonna grab the wire from there, and it will be a lot easier for us. Okay, so I was able to fish through the wires. So this other USB is from my car stereo, and I just put it in there to help me pull the USB power cord for the dash cam. So I was able to pull it out here. It's gonna be nice if I can just put it there. That's not working anymore. So, but yep. So I'm happy I was able to do this. Yep. So I'm just gonna put it back together. So I'm supposed to remove this. So I already removed the screws to pull it out so that I can just grab it, but I was able to just pull the wire using this cable tie in here. So yep, so I'm just gonna put it back together and try it out. And there you have it. So yep, so just remove the other cover in here. So this cover, just pop that one out, and now I have a hole in there. Now it just feeds through directly to the cigarette lighter, and I have my cable for my car stereo. So I just wire it so that it charges at the same time. Yep, so I'm just gonna feed this tube back in here, make sure it doesn't fall. But yeah, so I'm happy with this one. That works for me.
Okay, so first you have to go to settings on your phone, connect to the Wi-Fi that has the name of your dashcam. In this case, this is the DDPi underscore Mola. Then enter the password and hit join. Once you hit join, you would just need to go back to the app, then select your dashcam. Again, this is the Mola. Once you open that one, since this is the first time that we're opening this, we'll give it it will give us the short tutorial or whatever you call this. And again, if you're not happy on the view, you may need to readjust the angle. Again, on this case, it's only up and down where you can adjust it, but again, we got it dead center really. Yeah, I'm happy about it. So it covers the whole front, the hood itself, and the sides. So yep, this is good. Happy.
Okay, so there you have it. It's all plugged in. So put it all together. So it's kind of neat. So it's not as clean as I am expecting, but it's good enough. So wire is hidden, the A pillar under the dash to the center console here under it. Yep, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Helps a lot. I'll put the link on the description down below if you like to get this dash cam. Yep, so again, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.